This is Jupiter. She is the queen of her household. She's very proud of how much she cleans herself. But really, she's just distributing her DNA like confetti. Her hobbies include napping, shedding, and making sure no white shirt survives in this household. And her humans, they use Claritin, the only thing that actually helps with the whole dander problem. Claritin does the heavy lifting, so her humans can keep pretending Jupiter's fur is just decor.